as he puts the spotlight on the top movers in the trading day today.
Well, as Mangalam was also highlighting, most of the other indices are doing precious little, but that does not take away from the fact that there are enough and more movers in the broader markets that are making noise in today's session in the first couple of hours. Starting off with, of course, the metal names, as you all were highlighting earlier as well. Look at Vedanta now 6% higher at a record high. Hindustan Zinc's record high is 800 rupees plus, so it is hurtling towards those levels as well. And NALCO, another record high for the stock today as well, 3% higher on this name too. And take a look at the volumes now and look at Vedanta's volumes. We have had 1.5 crore shares being traded already. The 20-day average is 50 lakh shares. Hindustan Zinc has had more than 1 crore shares. NALCO has had almost 1 crore shares as well. All of them significantly above, at least twice or 3x their 20-day average when it comes to today's trading volumes. Actually, a couple of names that are doing well today, HEG and Graphite India, both of them have snapped a 5-day losing streak in today's session. HEG is up 5, Graphite is up 7.5, and they continue to do well in today's trade after the underperformance that they had previously. You look at HEG has had 30 lakh shares traded, which is 3x its 20-day average, and Graphite India too has had at least 2.5 times its 20-day average when it comes to today's volumes, more than 13 lakh shares that have been traded. On the downside today, there has been a very sharp fall that has been seen in Go Digit General Insurance. Now, this stock at one point was down almost 5%. You're seeing some recovery from the lows. Now, as a top loser at one point on the Nifty 500, has declined in 6 out of the last 7 trading sessions now. The volumes today are already the highest in the last 3 months. Now, today's volumes, we have seen over 13 lakh shares that have already been traded. The 20-day average here is only 50,000 shares. And as a result of this down move today, the stock has moved below its key moving averages. And from its post-listing high, which is close to around 380, 385, the stock is down around 15% from those levels and is now closing in on its IPO price, which is around 272 rupees.
All right, Hormaz, we take that point. We were talking about heavy metals and the music there. Do you have any particular preference in that genre?
Give me good 90s music and I am a happy kid.
90s Bollywood?
Yes.
All right, take that point.